Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Shehab from Arabic Shehab. I welcome each one of you in this playlist, Spoken Arabic Structure. And in this video, we're going to see a structure. With this structure, we can make many sentences in Arabic. And today's structure is Yabdu annaka dash. Yabdu means it seems. It seems. Anna, which means that. Ka means you. Yabdu annaka, which means it seems that you. And then we have to use some nouns in Arabic language so that we can express ourselves in this category. For example, yabdu annaka tabibun. Yabdu annaka, it seems that you are a doctor, because tabibun means a doctor. So we are just adding tabibun at the end of this structure. Yabdu annaka tabibun. It seems that you are a doctor. Isn't it easy? Rest of the sentences will be followed this structure. Let's see. The next one. Yabdu annaka muallimun. I repeat. Yabdu annaka muallimun. Which means it seems that you are a teacher. Muallimun means teacher. So it seems that you are a teacher. Yabdu annaka muallimun. Next. Yabdu annaka mashghulun. Yabdu annaka mashghulun. It seems that you are busy. Yabdu annaka mashghul. Yabdu annaka mashghulun. It seems that you are busy. Next, yabdu annaka katibun. It seems that you are a writer. It seems that you are a writer. Katibun means writer. Yabdu annaka tilmidun. It seems that you are a student. Tilmidun, a student. Yabdu annaka tilmidun. It seems that you are a student. Yabdu annaka ba'i'un. It seems that you are a seller. Seller. It seems that you are a seller. Ba'i'un means seller. Seller. Who sells something. Called seller. So, yabdu annaka ba'i'un. It seems that you are a seller. Hope you understand it. So this was the structure. Try to practice this with this structure and make many sentences in the comment box below. And don't forget to join us everywhere, Telegram, especially in Telegram channel. Link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.